it just looks too good. Like yes. Okay, you guys, so welcome back. I know I get a couple comments. Okay, not even a couple, because lately it's been a lot. You guys love my hairstyles, and I've never really filmed hairstyles often as I do recently, just because you guys have been asking for it. So with that being said, I have been loving my slick back hair. It is just so easy, classy, just cleaned, and I don't use a lot of products. I know some people use like gel and hairspray and all this stuff. Girl, I keep it so simple. I only use two products to get it this smooth, okay? And I have natural hair. I am Nigerian. My hair is very coily. Like, I have tough hair, you guys. So this is not me trying to like trick y'all saying I have like very fine hair. I don't. I have very curly Nigerian hair, okay? So it works on me. Gonna work on you, and if you do try it out, let me know down below. But before we get into the video, hit that like, subscribe button, okay? And yeah, let me show you guys how I get the little, you know, slick back, okay? Boom! Jump scare. Y'all, I look so crazy. I've never come on camera without my hair done, so this is different. But I want to show you guys how to get a slick bun, okay? Out of all the hairstyles I do, I feel like when I do a bun or a ponytail, I get the most compliments because it shows off, you know, the features on your face. And I literally only use two products, okay? I've seen some videos, they be using a lot of products, a lot of steps, and like, I just don't have the patience for that. That's why I want to go ahead and show you guys what I do, and it's very, and I swear y'all, very simple. So first things first, you do want to start off with straight hair. I don't start off, you know, in my natural state, because we're just not doing that. This, when you have straight hair, it's the sleekest it's ever gonna be. All right, it's very easy to work with, so I'm just gonna, you know, tell you guys that. So I know I told you guys I only use two products, but for me personally, I also add a serum just because my hair, y'all, has been through a lot, okay? And you guys know I talked about this product last year, because was it last year or the year before? Either way, it's from Purity. This is your biotin hair serum. Y'all know your girl had a huge bald spot because when I had my hair dyed red, it damaged my hair so bad, y'all, like so bad. It couldn't grow. I had a bald spot. It was a lot going on. So with this, it grew it in. My hair has been thriving ever since. So I like to take a little bit of this and just put it in my hair every single time. It doesn't hurt when you have, wow, I look so crazy, oh my gosh. But it doesn't hurt when you're doing your hair in a sleek bun, just because the product is gonna sit there, and it doesn't matter if it looks greasy because we are going for a sleek bun, so it just doesn't matter, okay? Go ahead and put this product all up and through it. All right, massage your hair, get it going. But I typically like to put this like right down the center, because the front is where I really suffered. The back is thriving, okay? It's just the front pieces that I'm still having a little bit of issues with. So that's that. We're gonna go ahead and now use a hairspray. So some people don't like hairspray on their hair. Some people prefer gel, but this is just what I do. The only hairspray I swear by is a Pantene Strong Hold hairspray. This is the hold level number 4. When I tell you guys this is the only hairspray that works for me, every other hairspray is kind of sticky, a little bit gummy. This just dries down really nicely. And y'all, I've been having this bun for like 5 days. It is not crunchy. It feels soft. It feels like my hair still. This is like the only hairspray to me that still feels like your hair, even when you go ahead and use a lot of it. So I take this and I just literally spray all through my hair. Okay, I put it on my edges, back there, underneath. Like, I go crazy with this. And then I just rub it down. Even when you think you're done, I still spray just a little bit more because I love a sleek hairstyle. So we're just gonna keep applying some more. So as it's drying, I'm gonna take a hard bristle brush. This one is very hard. And I'm just gonna start brushing my hair towards the back. And you guys can see it's still like my hair texture, like it's not hard at all. But y'all see how smooth it's already getting? It is insane. I'm telling y'all, it is this hairspray. I don't know what they have in here, but if they ever try to stop selling it, I'm gonna be upset. And then same thing to the other side, just brush it down towards the back area. Okay, just get it as smooth as possible as it's drying. And I also forgot to mention, you don't have to have your hair down the middle like I am. Usually I take it all the way back, but lately I've been loving this type of bun, so that's just what we're doing. So the next product we're gonna take is a Style Factor Edge Boost Edge Control. Typically I have the bigger one, but I am traveling in 3 days, so I need to get a travel size. But we're gonna take this, you guys. And the type of edge control brush that I do use is like this wooden one. This just works best for me. It's never failed me, so I always use this one. And what we're gonna do now is take this on the bottom of the brush, and I put this all through my hairline. I don't really put it on the hair itself because I told you guys a hairspray is gonna do half the work for you. And you can take a little bit down the center of your hair, okay? Then I also take this and then I add it on the very bottom, right here where it's super curly. And it's just gonna sleek everything down. And just for reference, I use the number 5 one, the hold power, just because it gives it like a nice hold. It's not gonna move at all. And then same thing to the other side, just putting some edge control. And then also down the center here. So then I'm gonna take my hard brush and we're just gonna start brushing this product into the hair, okay? And you guys will see slowly, like look at how sleek that gets. That is so crazy. So we're just gonna do this and just start brushing it back. And sometimes I do go in with the hairspray again, just to really make sure it is locking in. But you see how smooth that is? Like it literally straightens your hair for you, this hairstyle. Like it just does half the work for you. So what you want to start doing now is just pushing everything and holding it back with your hand. The first time I'm just doing it just to smooth everything, but this is where, like, you know what I mean, you really start to work just a little bit. We're just gonna push everything to the back like so. Same thing on the other side, just brush everything to the back. So now we're gonna take our hair tie. I typically use 2 just to give it like that nice hold. And we're just gonna tie our hair up like normal. But this is where like I really make sure I do tie it a little bit tight because I want it to be locked in all day. So we have our hair back, but it's not perfect yet, okay? Because the edges are kind of coming up. So what you're gonna do is go back into your edge control and we're really gonna just sleek and fine tune everything at this point. So I'm just gonna take this and just brush it back. And this is where it really locks in pretty much after this. You don't have to like keep going throughout the day and sleeking your hair back. It's just gonna hold after this. So I'm just gonna take this. Ooh, it just looks too good. Like yes. And then also some of the baby hairs are sticking up here. I keep calling these back hair baby hairs, but honey, those are just broken hair at this point, okay? So we're just gonna take this and just sleek it back. And we're gonna do like our little thing right here in a second. I just wanna make sure everything is smooth and laid. I'm even gonna add a little bobby pin because right here, my hair doesn't go all the way back. It kind of stops right here, these front pieces. So just a little bobby pin, y'all, will hold everything in. So adding a bobby pin is just gonna help lock everything in. Oh, that looks so good. So y'all see how sleek this side looks compared to this side? Like this side here is lifting. So we're just gonna go back in with the edge control and just smooth it in. Y'all see how this eats so bad? Like we were looking crazy. Let me go ahead and do it before. We were looking crazy. This looks so good and we're not even done yet. We're not even done, okay? So I love my, you know, ponytail. It's cute, it's whatever. But honey, I love me. I love me some braid in here. So what we're gonna do, mine looks beat up, but honestly, it doesn't matter. That's the best way for me personally. We're gonna take this and we're just gonna tie our hair in here. And y'all already know the deal at this point. We're just gonna do a little swirl around because I love for my bun to be thick. I want it to be large and in charge. And all you do is just twist your real hair with the fake hair, and we're gonna bring it around town, okay? So we're just gonna bring it around town. Sometimes I do a curly one, but today I just feel like doing a straight one. I just feel like when you have like a middle part like this, it just needs to be straight. So I'm just gonna keep twisting this. And I twist it first, bring it around, and then twist and bring it around. And then last but not least, we're just gonna do our edges. You can bring out your edges wherever you want. I just keep it cute and keep it down here with this hairstyle. And I kind of like it like when it flips out just a little bit. I just think it's really cute that way. So I kind of like flip it out and let it like sit out. I don't know. That's just how I do it. And then same thing to the other side. This one be acting a little bit better. Like you see how it's sitting pretty out? That's how I want it to be with the other side. But this one just has a little bit more hair. So we kind of let her sit out and kind of turn. Oh, she's so cute. She is so cute. And that's pretty much the hairstyle, you guys. Like, I'm so serious. It is so easy. As long as you have this hairspray, okay, and then also, you know, the edge control, you're totally fine. But look at how sleek and shiny it is with the bun. The bun is large and in charge, but everything just looks so nice and put together. If I could wear this hairstyle all the time, I would, but I just don't want my hair to break. So sometimes, you know, I give it a little bit of a break. But nonetheless, it's so classy, so pretty. I just really love this hairstyle. So if you do try it out, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. If it makes your life a little bit easier. And yeah, before you guys do leave, make sure you go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video.